Much or pass gold today. We'll see. Good morning, guys. Just second to prepare myself. How are you? I want to start with something absolutely insane, guys. Absolutely. And this is it. On Friday, in the free group, I send you a clue. I told you. Let me see what I exactly told you. Is this possible? Yeah, I told you, is this possible? When the price was absolutely right here. And guys, I want to show you something because I was like, okay, my week was absolutely insane, guys. I almost has no losses. In the inner circle, I'm up to more than 5 or 6% on the account, which is absolutely brutal. So I decided to wait for this trade. And I was like, I will set it and I will leave it. And I will, of course, I put the stop loss on break even, but I was like, let's see what is going to happen. And I even stop watch it. And guys, let me show you, this is the result. I broke my previous record. 210 pips profit with 3 lots, $6,000, guys. This is, I don't know, absolutely incredible, absolutely insane. I will show it to you later again. Now, let's see what we can expect from the market. First thing, guys, let's start from the daily. I woke up to sweet profit 2 from the Friday trade. Good morning. Congratulations, man. That is the point. I'm super happy about it. Now, I think that today is a little bit strange. Not strange, but I don't know what exactly word should I use. First, on a daily time frame, of course, here this is very strong area. Let's make it like that. Of course, this is very far away, but this is on daily chart, so we have to prepare ourselves. I think that this, okay, probably is still available, this area. So first thing that I'm seeing is that the price is making a third point on the trend line on daily time frame and starts to get a good rejection after fulfilling the profit. DXY, yeah, DXY, look how many candles, so it's probably going to make some upper movement from here. Okay, I'm working on 2 charts, so let's see. Also, on 4 hour, if we extend Fibonacci, the price reached 61.8 level. We have a beautiful divergence, and eventually. I don't know. I don't think this is very good, but probably it might be, I don't know, a breakout, which happens on the previous candle. You can see previous time it was basically the same, but the RSI was more, it was better than now. Let me see something. Yeah, you can see the first breakout happened the same time as now, and then the price made another rise, which means that the price will make, probably can make another rise here to reach the trend line before making any movements to the downside. This is one of the probabilities. So on a daily time frame, for now we have a rejection on the trend line here, but in the same time the price has reached 61.8 made a divergence and a probable also breakout on the RSI. So for now it's a little bit tricky because we have both setups for buy and for sell on a daily time frame. Actually, if we take this rejection, it is not ready yet, because until the end of the day it might break the trend line. So for now we have a setup for buy, because this is impulse. This is like a correction to the 61.8 level of Fibonacci. If you don't know how to trade Fibonacci, go to my YouTube channel. There is a full video with examples and everything. So if the price closes with this rejection, like this small pin bar, it will be probably good for like a third point on the trend line for sell. But for now it looks more for buy. As we talk, I don't know if we make the trend line like that. GXY is absolutely awful. Thank you, man. Thank you, uncle. Now let's continue. I'm just observing, guys, because it looks like looks both for buy and for sell right now. I want to see what the price think of doing on 1 hour. There is a huge order book here. Look, it looks like the swing zone, first time super rejection from this swing area. After that it makes like a test on the breakout here, breaks the zone, and now looks like a test. So I start to think that this looks more bullish right now. With this head and shoulders, it fulfilled the profit. Now it might make some rejection to the trend line again. Guys, this right now that you're looking is how to make a top-down analysis. Top-down analysis means everything that is probable and everything that might happen. We have to be aware of it and to see whether what is possible and what's not possible. Here also yep, the price might reach the trend line here like a side movement, and from here we might enter buy positions. Because also guys, you can see that this area, look, I will just put it on this rejection right here. No, there is no other way, but you can see it here, here, many rejections. Here the price break it, test it, and now we have 2 rejections from here. So I think these 2 rejections looks like liquidity. So I think that the price will make something like that. For that to happen, we have to see the dollar index to fall. We'll see. It's early, but you can see here first, second, third time. Also like a liquidity. So if this falls until this area right here, it might push the gold up. Let me check it on 5 minutes. I don't know if we buy from here. I think it's still early. Because actually we have also something like a breakout here. Guys, hit 1 like on the video. Help me reach more people. And also tell me in the comments what you think. Whether it is bullish or bearish. Head and shoulders pattern suggests that this is a trend reversal figure. So when this occurs, it tells us probably that the price will is ready to change the direction, which means that you can see again we have this impulse correction to the Fibonacci area. So if this is correct, small bullish then sharp selling, no, eventually if the price breaks this trend line on a daily time frame, okay, make it like that, it will be very bullish to these areas right here, 2533, let's say. Because this is how Fibonacci works again, because we have a breakout on the RSI, but we don't have engulfing candle. We'll see. we have divergency, but still the price on trend line. Of course, this is not ready. If today the price ends with a breakout on the trend line, possibly it will go for buy. For now, it's not ready because we don't have confirmation of candles, candlestick formation or stuff like that. So on 4 hours we are still, I'm not sure guys, because here we have a test, because this is 1 2 3 4 candles, even this thing right here. So this is like a correction even on 4 hours. Yeah, these candles this is like order book here. So the price returns on probably 15-minute or 30-minute and starts to fall. So I think this trend line is okay like that. Fake breakout here, they push the price, so we have to watch it on 4 hours. So on 4 hours you can see we have a breakout and test right now. But I don't like this impulse and these small corrections. Tell me guys, could you manage to make some profits from this trade right here? Because this is so far the highest profit that I make from a single trade, and it's amazing because you know guys, most of the time when we leave a trade open for the night, when we wake up and it's like, oh, again it hit the stop loss or something like that, it makes some spike and stuff like that, I was willing to risk. And today I opened my eyes and more than $6,000 profit. Absolutely insane guys. 200 pips. Look at this beauty. Beauty. Here's some gap. Let me see what DXY potentially can do. Breakout. So DXY is in some range here. Thank you, man. What confirmation should we wait for entering a trade here? Let's see. You know, guys, once when I was little, I was very good at math. I even go on some, in Bulgaria, there are like Olympiads, I don't know what's the word in English, but there were some challenges, and I go many times there. I have some, not medals, but some, what's the word, I don't know, but I was a winner a couple of times. So probably that's why I liked trading, because um, it's like doing some sophisticated uh, mathematic. I can collect my mind. Sorry for that, but I think you get the point. So here you have many possibilities, and you have to be aware of everything which is possible, because there are manipulations, there are fake movements and stuff like that. There are many different time frames that telling you different things, so you have to be aware of everything. I think it will be good for selling if it breaks this trend line, right here. For now, I don't think, of course everything is possible, but I just don't see it. Okay, so now this candle is closing not very well, in terms that it didn't tell us anything special, but you can see there is a impulse, small correction. So now also you have to know that this is in India. Excuse me, because I'm reading that love you from India. Thank you. Which, but I think that also, look, this is Asia high. Okay, these two tops are Asia high, and this bottom is Asia low. So there is an option that the price goes down to collect the Asia low and starts to go up to grab the liquidity from the upper side. But basically until then, I don't think that we should enter a trade, because we don't have confirmations. We have this breakout, but I don't think this is enough for now. So also, okay, even if there is order book here, let me see. I don't think so. As I told you, this order box in Asia session are more like liquidity zones. But on a higher time frames, again guys, if this is a breakout and a test, and if it closes bullish today, let's say breaks the tops and closes until the end of the day like that, it will be super bullish on daily time frame. So the potential profit would be absolutely insane, because it will be up to here, 1300 pips. Of course, this will not happen in a single day or two, but potentially this will be this week's idea. Also, let me ask you guys, is there anyone from Bulgaria in the live? This week on Tuesday, we have consumer confidence jobs. Okay, I don't think this will make huge impact, but it will definitely make something. Wednesday, non-farm environment change, Chicago PMI, FOMC statement. Okay, here. Oh, okay. Oh, rate decision. Yeah, Wednesday in the evening, you have to know that huge impact on the market. This FOMC statement and rate decisions will have huge impact. Thursday, initial jobless claims, global US manufacturing. Okay. And Friday, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate. Oh, okay. So this week will be very volatile. Starting from Wednesday, today will be probably not so volatile. Tomorrow there will be some news. I don't know how impactful they will be exactly, but I think from Wednesday on there will be huge impacts on the market. And now, guys, this closes very bullish. But let's see. We have to put at least let me open my how can I make payment for Inner Circle? Guys, last week in Inner Circle was absolutely brilliant, I can tell. So if you're not part of it, take advantage of the offer that I make. Now, okay, guys, we have impulse correction. The price starts to go, but meta rejection again. Still, we have to probably wait, but even the DXY starts to turn to the downside. So probably gold will continue to go up. The thing that bothers me, if we should put the stop loss at least below the bottom, which is too much. We should make it something like 90 pips. Good morning from Nigeria. Good morning, guys. Is there, again, I am asking, is there anyone from Bulgaria? It's interesting for me. Ima. Okay. I'm asking because I am thinking of creating not a community, but probably I will start to make videos about trading on Bulgarian, because I think that there will be interest. Your knowledge isn't much. Thank you, man. Thank you. is based on years of experience and bouncing my head left and right. How can I join the inner circle? I can show you. When you go to my free group, there is a link pinned on the upper side. Now there is a super offer, just $99 for 12 months. So guys, take advantage, because this will be ending very soon. This offer will end very soon. Also, as I told you, I collect my mind, guys, for this $20 to $1,000 challenge. Thursday I am flying to Barcelona to meet with my partner and see what our heads will create, or I don't know how to say it, and from there I can start to focus on the, because just a second, because someone is asking for the third time, I will send a link in the chat. Madagu Yusuf, there is a link. I posted a link. Stop asking. Just open the link and join. So again, we don't have to rush. It's 9 a.m. and you know that in the last couple of weeks the movement starts from 10. So probably I even think that I will start to make this live sessions a little bit late. From now, I mean they can start now or even 30 minutes from now, because there are no movements now, and I get a little bit frustrated and bored when I am 2 hours in the live session. So I think it's better if we make them a little bit later, so we can actually enter a trade during live, because when there is nothing good formed, I am not going to rush to enter a trade, of course. And these live sessions basically become just analysis. Not that it's bad, but I know that most of you want to see trades. So good swing zone, price rejects one time, second time. I still think that there is a possibility to see a breakout of this liquidity zone from the Asia session, and from there to see this higher movement. Of course, this is also risky because this is a trend line, which is not bad at all. See, third time, fourth time. So now if the price breaks on the downside, it might start to fall, because again, guys, we are trading based on what is happening, not what we expect or wish to happen on the market. So everything is possible to happen. I think this trend line is valid, is legit valid, or what should I say, because you can see the first time huge impulse on the opening of the Asia session with a huge rejection, and then the price starts to go up second time. It's just like test, and second time couldn't break the trend line, couldn't break the top, and the price falls, which means it falls to the swing area, which means that there is a good liquidity area, which means there are many stop losses put above here. So that's why I think that the price might go to break these two tops right here. So you think gold dropped to 2350? No, I don't think so. At least for now, I think that that it looks bullish. I'm not sure for now. Should we enter a trade because the stop should be under this bottom, and it's pretty huge and it's early, so I'm afraid that the price might go to break this bottom first and then to make some potential upper movement, because now it's like some range formed here again. It's not unrealistic because this is gold, it's super volatile, everything. Now they might have say that something happened with the president or some bomb near falls near Europe or something like that, and it might do some spikes. So everything is realistic, but we are just watching it now. This is on 5 minutes, so we are expecting something to happen. We'll see, guys. I hope you stay with me to see whether it will give us some confirmation, but this is more like a choppy market right now, because you can see these huge wicks on both sides. So the price don't know exactly, because probably this trend line is very, very strong. So the price at this current moment don't know exactly where the volumes will kick in and where they will push the price to. But guys, I wanted to tell you again that last week was very, very, very good. And the reason that it was very good probably is that I think I was a little bit more patient. And from now on, I will definitely be more patient, because this rushing only gives me frustration, and we even may end up with losses that are not necessary. So I will be more patient, and I think that from now on only good things will come, and of course we will upgrade the results every week and every month. So if you want to be part of my journey, definitely join my inner circle, guys. Also, I asked if there are any Bulgarians in the live, because I think that I might even start to work with Bulgarians, because I started to make these lives and all the educational content and coaching sessions in English, because my thoughts were that, of course, there are more people outside. But now I'm seeing such a huge interest from people from my country. So I think that I will start to make this educational content and stuff on Bulgarian also, because it will be very good for them also, and it's my native language. It would be much easier for me to tell everything that I want to tell you, to show you, to the full potential of my knowledge that I gained in the couple of years that I'm trading. Because I can easily say that I'm one of the most prepared traders in my country, and not even in my country as well, because the account that I'm managing is probably one of the biggest accounts in Bulgaria. I'm definitely sure about it. And my results are 90% better than the other people that I'm watching and observing. So yeah, I have the confidence to make this educational content, to make these videos and stuff like that. Sir, gold up, yeah, down? That's the question. Okay, okay. I will make a prediction, and I will stick to my prediction. I think that the gold will now go down to break this Asian low, or okay, I will say to break the Asian low, and from there it will go up. Let me see the DXY. There are some gaps here on DXY, so I think that it might go to break to collect the gap, but it actually still hasn't left the zone. When we visit India, I don't know, man. I'm with two little children, so until the end of the year, probably I'm not going to go anywhere far away. Even this trip to Barcelona, I'm going by myself because I'm going to do some work stuff. So I'm going alone. Of course, if there is anyone from Barcelona who is watching the live, it will be a pleasure to meet. I will be 5 days there, so I will make very much content, good content, because we will go to very nice places. Because my partner lives there from a couple of years and he knows everything. Oh, why did I erase my prediction? Wait, let me return. Breakout on the, like a liquidity, probably some rejection, and breakout on the upper side. This is my prediction for now. Of course, if the price breaks here and closes with the good candles, it might continue to fall. But because something like that is possible, that's why I told you I don't like it here. In situations like that, we should wait for confirmation. Confirmations means breakouts with whole candles and stuff like that, because you can see in this case, if you have bought, no matter how big your stop losses, the price may return to hit it. That's the point, and then to start this movement that will be the movement. So basically, guys, I'm doing all this stuff because I want to show you eventually that there is a reason behind everything. It's not like gambling or no, it makes a huge candle, we should jump into a trade. You should be aware of everything that is possible, and even if it looks super good, let's say for buy, we should be aware that the price still might go down. So we are trading based on what is happening on the chart, not what we wish to happen, what we expect, or where our previous trades are and stuff like that. So that's why I told you it looks good, but eventually we have to wait for good confirmations, because this will what's the word, differentiate us from losers and make us profitable traders. I can probably now erase this so it will be a little bit more clearer. But tell me, guys, in the comment, I will be very glad. Do you like my trading style? Do you like the things that I'm talking to you, the things that I'm trying to show you from my experience? Because I don't know, everyone trades differently. Everyone has different strategies, different look on the chart and stuff like that. So if you like it, hit one like on the video. Help me reach more people, guys. I will be very grateful. You help me reach more people, because I have huge plans. I can tell you guys, I have huge plans, and I will show you that it is possible to earn money with trading. Yeah, I trade with trend lines, but not only by the trend lines. I mean, you can see that I'm making a technical analysis to see the whole bias, potential bias, and I even speak with, I don't know if the word is speak, but I mean, I am looking at DXY also to tell me whether these things are possible. So your style is great, your trading plans are so perfect, I wish to pay for your VIP. Here is a link to my inner circle. If you want to join, you're welcome. You have definitely taught me patience in trading. This is one of the most important skills, patience. So when you start the 20 to 1000 search, so if everything is okay, Thursday I will be in Barcelona, and we will speak with my partner about few stuff, because I don't just want to make this 20 to 1000 challenge. I want to make it like a rocket to my successful career. I want to use it like a platform to show you guys that I'm not just some guru that make life analysis. I want to show you my skills, and I want to really help you with this stuff. And of course, this will return to me as well. I'm pretty sure about it. So we will speak about how we can take best, of course. I'm transparent with you guys. How we can take the maximum from the challenge, and we will announce it until the end of the week. I will announce it definitely, but we'll see. We'll see. I will be very glad if many people join. So you can tell your friends, guys, also, because $20 are nothing. Of course, nothing, not for everyone, but in the whole aspect, they are nothing in trading. You can't do anything with $20 in trading. But if we scale the accounts, even if we scale it just to $200 or $300, this would be absolutely insane. So spread to your friends, because I am actually thinking of making this as a whole trading style after that. So I mean, after we make it, to continue to do it, even we can try to scale to bigger accounts, but we'll see. I don't want to go as far in the future, because I want to first fulfill the first step, and after that to see what else from there is possible, because I don't want to get disappointed. I really want to grow with you. Thank you, man. Thank you for the words. Join my inner circle. That's what I will tell you. Your trading skill is nice. Please help us. The link to join the inner circle. I mobilize many people to follow you, all your platform. Thank you. I will upload the link again. Here it is. Now take advantage of this offer, guys. $99 for 12 months, because this will expire very soon, and then it will be the previous, which is $49 a month. So I appreciate, I value my work. So this offer will expire soon, and it will be again a monthly subscription. So if you want, take advantage now. And now the price starts to go where I wanted it. It even closes good. $40 pips. Down is also $40 pips. No. Let us stick with the first idea. We don't want to make some mistakes. So the other thing that I am thinking of is that the price might not break this bottom. It might not break it, because I think it might stick to the trend line. So if we see a breakout on the upper side, we might have to enter a trade. So we might have to make something like that also as a possibility. Woohoo! This one starts to break with full power. Let's see how it will close. Let's see. Okay, it's not ready. Definitely. And that is why also we don't have to rush to enter a trade. Okay. This trend line is very good. You can see from the rejection that it get from the trend line, it is very good. So we are going to wait for a breakout on the trend line to enter buy positions. When you're starting 20 to 1000 challenge, I will announce it until the end of the week. I told you, you probably joined later, but Thursday, hopefully, I will be in Barcelona, and then I will announce it. So until Friday, I will announce it. Which time frame chart is not clear? 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. Again. Okay. This also not bad because the RSI might go down. No. When the price breaks this bottom, eventually, of course, eventually, reach the trend line and then to make a breakout on the RSI. Also the divergency may form. A divergency may form. It already starts to form. So I'm bullish right now, guys. I think that when the price grabs some liquidity area here, it will be good for buying. But we will see. Also GXY, there is a gap here also. Now on this chart there is a gap here. We'll see. Guys, I have to tell you that I'm super grateful because almost 70 people are with me for more than 1 hour now, which only tells me that I should be grateful and that probably the things that I'm talking and the things that I'm showing you are good for you and you like it. So thank you again for staying so much with me, even if we don't enter a trade. So but definitely the market is very ugly right now. So if it makes a breakout here, also guys, have in mind that I will probably make many giveaways more, because this will help to make the announcement for the 20 to 1000 challenge. So stay aware. Probably in the next couple of days we will make many giveaways, so some of you maybe the winner and to take advantage of funded accounts. After that you can join my inner circle and pass the challenge together. Let me also, because if this is a third point on the trend line, as it looks like, it actually almost reached the first take profit, but the profit for this strategy is the previous bottom. So that's why I think that the price will grab it as a liquidity. And if it makes some rejection, if it's like this one, I will definitely enter a trade. But we'll see. If just the price continue to fall, unfortunately, it won't be good anymore, because the stop should be super big. And I'm more like But also we have to be aware that we'll see what is going to happen. But if the volumes kick hard for sell, we'll see. We have to hope not to trick us into just continue to fall. Just a second. Three minutes ago. Okay, someone joined the inner circle. Welcome. Okay, almost 80 people. Let's see whether we will have a trade or no. Guys, hit likes on the video. I think this helps to reach more people. So and tell me again, guys, did you manage to close some profits? I want to show it to you again because I'm absolutely blown away. I woke up this morning with, look guys, the biggest profit that I've ever took from one trade. The funny thing is that last week, not last week, I think it was this week, it was my first biggest profit like that, and now I doubled it. So I think guys, everything works good. I have swap and commission 120 euros. What a bargain. But it is how it is. We have to be grateful because this is absolutely insane. Actually, in my country, this amount is about, of course, the lowest, but a yearly salary in one trade. I don't know. Works, years of bouncing my head to the wall now starts to pay off, guys. And you can do it with me if you want, of course. If you want, you can go through everything by yourself. It's better actually, but it's harder. Oh, now is the boring part. We are going to wait for something to form, something to happen. Guys, also, you know what? Now I'm thinking I am going to make a video today on YouTube, but I'm thinking what topic exactly should I speak about? Do you want me to speak about some current strategy, risk management, or something about my experience, or how to draw the trend lines? Tell me what, give me some ideas, because I have time today, and from the morning when I drink my coffee at my home with my little daughter, I was like, okay, probably today I will make some educational video, but on which topic should I make it? Give some suggestions. I can also make it as a, if you give me 2-3 suggestions, I can make it as a poll also in the Telegram group. Of course, after that I can actually make videos about all the topics, but of course it will took me time. So yeah, risk management, probably this is the most important topic that most of the people don't think it's something really important, but when you lose huge amounts of money, you start to know that this is the most important thing, risk management. Because every trade that we enter basically have 50-50% to hit the profit, 50% to hit the stop loss. So basically, as I told you in a previous live sessions, trading is based on probabilities and mathematics. So if your strategy in, let's say, 100 different entries gives 55% risk success rate. So on 100 trades, only 5 more are 10 trades are winning, and other only are the trades with profit. Excuse me for my language, guys. I'm adjusting still, so many live sessions and I'm still adjusting. But if you have 55% risk reward win ratio, but your trades are 1 to 2 or even 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, you always be on profit. So the only thing that can stop you from your winning strike long term is your risk management, if you're not sticking to a good proper risk management. This is the only thing. Please carry on. We understand you. Thank thank you. I promise that I will get better. I will get better. Because I have so many things in my mind that I want to share with you guys. That's why I'm thinking to start to make these videos and stuff on Bulgarian, on my native language, because I'm sure that the information is valuable and it will help many people. And when I speak it in Bulgarian more, I think that I will adjust my mind to speak it clearly on English also. That's why I have to put much more effort in these videos, because it's not just some groups and some signals and some live sessions, but I'm pretty sure that this information can change people's lives, and this gives me the whole experience of put this effort to do the stuff, because I know that it may help people to change their lives, as this trading basically changed my life, guys. And I'm super grateful that I got to the decision to leave my previous team behind and to start to continue this journey alone, because it's really hard. It was really hard for me, and still it is hard for me, because as you know, I have two little children. I have other business as well, so it is frustrating and time much time taking, or how should I say it, but when I see these comments that you're sending me, this love, no matter that we have losses, no matter that something happened, this is enough for me to continue doing this stuff, I can tell you. Because guys, I'm pretty sure that most of you know it, but money by themselves, I don't think that they're enough, like enough encouragement or to be enough like a motivation. The money by themselves, I think a bigger motivation is when you impact someone's life, when you know that someone is grateful that found you. Okay, I will stop here. Let's not change the focus. Is this the rejection that we are waiting to see? Let's see how it will close in the next 3 minutes and how the next 1 hour candle will open, and we will decide what we are going to do. So basically the price didn't break the bottom, but as I told you, I don't think it's necessary, because if it breaks it, it will actually break the trend line as well. So probably it will just reach the levels here as it does, and but let's be a little bit more patient. We are 70 people for 80 minutes in this live session, so I think that we can wait a little bit more to see what the outcome will be. Still a rejection, you can see. GXY also. Guys, you're not very active, but tell me, should I make a video about risk management? Or also, again, guys, hit the like button. Help me reach more people, help me grow this account, because I think that I'm pretty sure that the information that I will provide in the future will be super helpful for you. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Do it now. I feel like more on your analysis. We need it. Okay, again a rejection. The price is still not ready. It will be very beautiful, guys, if we manage to be like 500 people in these live sessions daily and to make profits together. This will be absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I will not stop until 500 people are entering my live sessions. I can tell you. Okay, 10 a.m. Let's see. Yeah, definitely I should start the live sessions. It would be even easier for me because, again, I have little children at my home, so I will not have to rush to come early and to stay in these live sessions for 2 hours thinking what should I speak to you. Whether we just make the analysis and enter some trades, whether it is winning, losing, or whatever the market will bring us. 500 people is too little. We can definitely achieve 5k people on the live sessions. I am not such a dreamer right now, guys. Not that it's not possible, but let's achieve the dreams one by one. So first goal is 100 people daily. And if they are good with the information, with the trades, with the analysis, I think that it is a matter of time. If we share and like, will happen. Guys, it's up to you. If you like the thing that I'm doing, you can share it, you can like it. I'm trying my best alone, that I'm alone in this journey. I will be glad if you help me. Now if it breaks out, what's the possibility to continue to go down? Yeah, man, I am absolutely agree with you for the music. I can put you the music that I like and motivates me, but I don't know. Last time I have had problems with YouTube for copyright, and they make me a penalty, so that's why I'm not starting some music. That's the reason. I'm afraid that they will ban me because they did it once. So I can start some boring, no copyright music, but sometimes it's actually more frustrating. Or I don't know. I have actually YouTube Premium on my other account, but I don't think that will work out. Look what what stupid music. It's actually more frustrating. And actually, guys, I can tell you. Okay, I will put something to just roll, but no premium don't give you right to stream copyright. Okay. Make a mini series how to draw trend line, money management, risk reward, and okay. Yeah, I was thinking about doing that, absolutely. What's the general direction of gold today? Again, from the just a second, because now this music more like I think that generational direction is up, because when we adjust the trend line based on these rejections here, it's like a breakout, good breakout test, but in the other time we have a divergence and breakout here, but this is not a good RSI. On a daily time frame also it reached a Fibonacci level with divergence again, with breakout on RSI, leave out. So I should stop the music, right? I think it's more it's doing worse than it's helping. On 1 hour also we have trend line here, which I think on 1 hour the price reaches already. So we might have a breakout on RSI, which is not again the best RSI possible, but it might happen on the next candle, guys. Now if the price continue to fall from 10 to 11, it might make another fall on the RSI. Divergence may reach these areas and it might make the breakout. Possible. On 15 minutes it might get a breakout on this bottom, like to grab the Asian liquidity, and to return. And of course the other way around, this all to go to trash and the price just to start to fall. So our confirmation about the price to continue to fall is going to be probably a nice breakout on at least 15 minutes here, even some test on the trend line, because you can see all this movement. We should at least see a breakout on 15 or 30 minutes, probably some test, and then to enter sell. Also, GXY is more like into range. I told you on higher time frames. Now it looks like some range. You can see first rejection, second, third one, fourth one, fifth rejection here. And on the downside, the same thing. First, second, this, okay, this is not a rejection. Third time. So we'll see. This trend line, I think it's not very good. This trend line, okay, the price starts to break here. It might form good for sell, but until where? And if it just grab the liquidity from the Asia, the stop should be huge, but the profits just 10, 12 pips, 20 pips. No, we are not going to sell here. Try this, it's cool. Which one, Antonio? I didn't understand. No, there is no link. I don't know why. YouTube are very strict with this copyright stuff. So of risk management. Okay. Okay, I will do it. I will do it, and I hope you help me, guys, by commenting it, like it, and share it after I post it, so we can reach more people. Okay, now probably the price will make a fake out on 15 minutes as we expected. Let's see how it will close. And for me, your voice. Thank you, man. Guys, I have to tell you that even if the price starts to fall down, I don't know why I'm not into selling right now. So I will not enter sell even if it breaks on the downside. My expectations are for the rise. If it not happen, I will stay away from. You folks saw that this in Bulgarian is meaning something, yeah. Okay, guys, probably from tomorrow I will start to enter like 9:30. So we don't have this huge 1 hour and 30 minutes without anything. And just to enter for the action. Your babies look cute. I don't know where you saw it because I didn't upload. Even in my personal account I don't post anything. Because I think that babies and little parts of the family are sacred, and I don't like this exposure to post everything on social medias. I actually, guys, before starting to do this stuff, these live sessions and so on, I didn't post almost anything on social medias. So this influential lifestyle is new to me, and I probably am not very good at it for now, but I think I will get better. From the beginning I don't like this exposure of what I'm doing, how I'm living my life and stuff like that, but probably this is important. So okay, it looks like there is some selling pressure right now, but I'm still sticking to my plan. This one starts to open with gaps. Let's see what will happen on the order book. So guys, as I told you in the previous lives, trading is based on taking decisions. Sometimes we are not taking the best decisions, but in both cases we have to be patient and aware that even if we miss the movement, we don't have to rush to do anything. So just a second, because some of you is sending me something. My chart is very unclear. There are no volumes on the dollar index. We can't see them. Na 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 na, man, till I get my money right. Guys, do you know what I started to do for 3 days now? I actually don't smoke cigarettes, cigars, or something like that, but I started to smoke shisha. I bought one shisha at my home. I have a beautiful terrace, and I sit there and I am smoking shisha for the past 3 days. Guys, again, don't miss out the opportunity to join my inner circle, because last week was absolutely brilliant. This month we made 800 pips, more than 800 pips in the inner circle. Stop. It's not nice getting addicted. Okay. Yeah, I know. I know, but you know that everyone probably has these moments in his life that you have to go through something like that. Let's see whether this will close down and continue to fall, or it will see some rejection here. Oh, this dollar index is pushing really hard up. So gold may do some another fall. We'll see. Or the other thing is that DXY now will reach these areas right here, probably this gap right here, probably, and it will get a rejection and gold will fly up. But as it starts to look, gold will continue to fall. If you enter a sell now, but no, I don't like it. You could use 60 pips stop, but I don't know whether it will make such a fall. I'm not sure about it. Okay, let's see what dollar index will do now, whether it will break this area or it will get a rejection from it again, because I think that this will define what the gold will do. Of course, if the DXY breaks the tops, this might mean that the gold will start to fall, collapse. But if the dollar gets a rejection now, it means that gold can also get a rejection from here. We'll see. 10:30. Okay, guys, I was silent because I am observing, but I think that I don't know what, but I think that DXY starts to get a rejection. And if it starts to get a rejection, we'll see. We'll wait at least for 5 minutes more to see how the 15 minute, the 10 minute, 30 minute will close candle will close, and to see. But initially I told you for buy we have to see a breakout on this trend line. It's a strong trend line and we have to be patient. If the price breaks on the downside, it will probably fall, but I'm not sure about it. So we are going to see these 5 minutes. I think that will suggest what eventually will happen. "70 people are staying with me for 1 hour, for almost 2 hours, guys. This is absolutely brilliant." And we are not entering trade. This is brilliant. I'm super grateful. Thank you. Hit one like on the video. Okay, DXY is reaching the area. Fulfill the gap. It might actually break the zone. We'll see. Tell me in the comments, guys, what do you think will happen? The price will fall? It's possible, absolutely possible. Yeah, huge rejection on daily time frame for now. 4 hour. I'm just not sure about this stupid trend line. Whether it should be like that, which means third point, or it should be like that, which means breakout and test. You're already on swing sell, okay? What? I don't know what you mean by swing trade, sell, but we will see. Okay, DXY also reached the zone. I can tell you that this doesn't, for me, this is not for sale right now, but who am I? Da 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 da. Four, two, okay. Look at this bastard. Guys, should we try to buy it? Huh? What do you think? What the hell? Let's try to buy it, guys. Boom! Immediate rejection. Use proper risk management, guys, because it's still risky because we don't have a breakout. Now, first profit should be up here. And the stop loss is inevitable to be on H7. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what will happen. Guys, if you don't want to risk, I don't know. I mean, now it might still get a rejection here. So if you want, you can move the stop loss. My idea is that now if the price starts to get rejected, if you want, you can move the stop loss on break even to protect the trade. Yeah, it starts to get a rejection from the trend line. That's right, I wrote in the group. If you want, you can collect profits here and wait to see what will happen, because I think it's now Fibonacci. Let's see what will happen here, but the idea is that I told you, if you want, you can not risk it, because if it closes like that, it's still risky, but if it breaks on the upper side, so guys, everything is happening in front of your eyes. Again, if you don't want to risk it, collect some profits. It's not huge profits, but it's on the trend line. I told you it's a little bit risky. I hope that the price will break the trend line firmly. There is still possibility because GXY starts to return. You can see the zone, how these things works. Let's hope that the price will break it, and if it breaks it, I am pretty sure that we will see a huge rise of the price. Pretty sure. Come on, push up, push. Again, guys, if you haven't entered or if you move the stop loss and hit it, you can wait to see if breakout will happen. But you can see there is a point on the trend line with engulfing candle. Let's just hope to see a breakout on the trend line. That is what we are hoping to see, and everything will go in our favor. Come on, break it. Break it, motherfucker. Don't listening to me, guys. Close like that. Close like that. Guys, do you like it? Tell me. Now, We might see a rejection here, guys. It's better to collect some profits if you want to. If you are willing to wait, let's see. If there is a breakout, this will surely start to run very, very good. Come on, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, push it up. Let's see GXY. Okay, GXY is falling. But for now, the price made a rejection. Guys, have you entered the trade? Have in mind that it's still possible to see a rejection here. So be careful. We might end with small profits, we'll see. Okay, GXY starts to revive. Come on, break it. Break it. Break it and give us 50-60 pips. I think that there is more buying pressure now, but let's see. Ooh. Now in MetaTrader, you have to know that in MetaTrader the price is just on the trend line right now. I don't know if now the price gets rejected, whether we should, what we should do. We should definitely wait for the 5-minute candle. But it's getting rejected here, guys. Now it starts to look like it will get a rejection from the trend line. Yeah. The question is, should we enter a sell right now, guys? What do you think? Let me erase this one. Okay, it makes a good rejection, I can tell you. Okay, on 15 minutes also. Now, guys, I think that we will change the direction. With this rejection right now, we will probably enter sell. Stop would be 30 pips. Because we can see that there is a huge pressure, selling pressure. Oh. You can see that this is not very good situation right now, but yeah, we're trading based on what is happening, guys. So now if it breaks the downside, look for sell entries. That's the best. Yeah, you can see how we change the direction when we get a rejection on 15-minute. We are not let me see, there are many comments, but I don't know if this is going to trick us. Motherfucker. Now it starts to get to return. We'll see, guys. If it closes above with a good candle, we might have to enter again. Yeah, probably I tricked myself again. I rushed. I didn't wait for the breakout and start to buy, sell. Yeah, you are right, guys. You're right. But GXY now starts to go up. Let's wait to see what will happen. Oh, oh. Ah. The market is very awful right now. Yeah, too much manipulation right now. I think that they are not very sure where to push the price to. Actually, guys, this music is very more frustrating for me, so but initially, guys, let's see what will happen. I wanted to say that even if it starts to fall down right now, I think that it is an example how we should make quick decisions based on what is happening, not to hope to see something and stuff like that. We have to be ready to change the direction if the price is look like it is going to change the direction. GXY is almost going to break the previous stop. And every move with $1 is 300 plus or minus. So man, right now my account is, I don't want to define it perfectly, because if you trade with me, you know I told you that I'm managing an investor's money right now, but let's say it's around $300,000, which is more, and with 3 lots I'm not taking huge risks right now. Guys, if I have to be honest, I still think it's bullish, because you can see this trend line is very good. It closes with a good rejection. But it didn't break the trend line, so we'll see. Be ready again to collect some small profits, because if it's range, it's not going to be good. Okay, guys. And at this moment, we are in the game again. Guys, now collect some profits because the price reach again the trend line. Let's see what will happen now. 60 people, 2 hours. Guys, you're amazing. First, we enter a buy. This was a pure example how things sometimes works. We enter a buy position. It made more than 20 pips. The stop loss were here. The profit was expected here. But on but the price made a rejection on the trend line with this huge candle, so we changed the direction. We'll see whether we were right or I rushed. But we got stopped here on the break-even and enter here. The price made again 20 pips. So if we are just to collect some profits on the way, we will still be making very, very good profits. Everyone, that's great, but this funded or no, this is real account. Real account, but I am honest with you, these are not my money. So sometimes it's a little bit frustrating for me because I'm risking my career. So yeah, I think that today the market will be slow. That's why I told you collect profits on the way, because guys, you can see how price react on these two trend lines, and eventually it will pop up in some direction. We'll see whether it will be in my first suggestion or I got tricked. But in both cases, it made 20 pips on one side, 20 pips on the other side. You could have, I told you to collect profits if you want, because you can see the market is slow and unstable and unsure where it will go to. So let's see if the price breaks on the downside. My whole first setup will collapse, but sometimes this happens. This is market. Excuse me for a second. Guys, unfortunately I will have to go. My wife called me that I need to do some stuff for the baby. I don't know, we will stick to this because we first changed the direction. We are not going to change it again. Let's stick to this. The stop is not so big, and let's see what is going to happen. I will be here shortly and I will write if anything changes, but for now I will stick to this. Thank you for being with me for more than 2 hours. If you managed to catch some pips, please send me profits. If now you're in the trade and the price breaks out, also send me profits, guys, and see you tomorrow. But tomorrow probably I will enter a little bit later. If you're in the trade and you are not willing to risk it, close now before it eventually goes on loss, because it will probably continue to move sideways and then to pop up in some direction. Okay guys, thank you again for being with me for such a long time. Tomorrow I will end a little bit later and hope for a better movements. Bye for now.